Going over the markets and the trading system signals today for May the 6th, 2021. Gold was a highlight. Crude oil was a highlight. Stock indexes are choppy and difficult to trade. We see that here. Here is the NASDAQ. Here is the S&P. You have this one smooth trend right here, but then the market rolls over again, rallies again. Will it roll over again into the close? There's about 17 minutes till the stock market closes. So on a daily chart, the S&P is near all-time highs. NASDAQ, it's a little bit weaker. Advanced decline line working its way back to zero into the close. Ticks getting stronger into the end of the day. VIX down 0.25. So choppy market. It's sold off. There's been some selling in markets of past and normal markets that aren't propped up so much with Fed stimulus. You would anticipate more selling, but because there is so much propping up, here's the NASDAQ, you see a little bit weaker. Since there is so much propping up, it's hard to get any real natural selling. You just get chop at high levels, and you get a time correction instead of a price correction, and that's what we're seeing. And so we should see, in a normal market, we should see more ebb and flow, more pullback, but not in the Fed stimulated, Fed propped up, manipulated market. So that is what we're looking at. Let's go over the trading system signals on the day. So crude oil was a highlight. SR CounterTrend 3 A and B hit their profit targets, plus 635 on the day. Got in yesterday, market pulled back here, and I'm bullish. Crude, it's having a challenging time here, getting through 68, but I do anticipate higher prices as we move into the summer. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Let's go over to gold. Let's go to the metals, precious metals. Big day on gold. Asia Gold 4 and Asia Gold 4 2020 hit their profit targets. Plus 475 on the day. This is a swing strategy, multi-day strategy. Up above 18 finally. It took forever. It's taken forever to get above 18. We've seen selling. Look at the selling pressure right here, right there, and right there. Almost to prohibit 18, and then today, you see more selling there, but then today it makes its way above 1800, and so that's where we are in gold. Cobra Gold also got in on the action. Once this hit its profit target, Cobra Gold took this breakout, got the very end of that breakout, so nice trade on Cobra Gold. Had a good short trade the other day. EVP2 gold also got the breakout, plus 865 on the day. Let's go over the rest of the metals. Silver, no trades on the day, and then let's go over the stock index trades and look at all the choppiness. Not a lot of trades really. When you take a look at this 60-minute breakout, plus 412.50 on the day, caught this long, went through the pullback. After hours, ES3 had a little bit of a bid overnight after this one struggled, and overnight bids. Night trader, frustrating, stopped out at the lows. 2 out of the last 3 trades. So we stopped out here, and then the market bounces, and then this trade's a loser, but it's not stopped out at the lows, but the previous trade was stopped out at the lows. So let's take a look at that, and it did it there too, just that 1 minute boom tag and you're out. So it's always frustrating to see that. It's even more frustrating when you see 2 out of the last 3 trades and then 3 out of 3 on that strategy. That pattern is typically we typically see in the market that moves higher. This pattern typically works well, but it's been down lately and in a losing streak. Minus 12, 37.50 on adaptive moving average. You see the chop there. And let's go over the NQ or ES2 strategies. VSD long entry minus 375. Only trade here. Let's look at NQ. The SR CounterTrend 2 VTM 1M plus 580 minus 725 on the 5-minute. And then SR CounterTrend 2 V2 1M minus 725, 5M minus 725, and then SR CounterTrend 2 plus 775. So the SR CounterTrends are taking short trades now. NASDAQ is turned down. We'll see if that continues, or if the NASDAQ decides it's going to work its way to the highs now and end the selling. We'll see. In Q2, 60-minute breakout A minus 525. This strategy struggled because the market sells off, acts like it's going to break out, and then has a easily stopped out on $500 stop losses. The larger stop loss breakout B has also struggled, minus 35.90 today. Big down day there. VSD keeps trying to buy this market, even though the market's up. It keeps rolling over, minus 26.60. VSD long short, big losing day, minus 76.15. EVP1 minus 2,050. A lot of these strategies are just really getting chopped up. The NASDAQ is really choppy right now. Viper minus 1,100 on 2008 and 2021 version. Exhaust in reverse minus 275. First trade of the day was good. Then it pulls back. A lot of these markets are just pulling back a lot before they rally more than normal. And then we've already gone over the energies. We've gone over the metals, soybeans. No trades today in soybeans. Soybeans gapped up and moved higher right around the 1570 area, looking for 16 pretty soon in this market. And let's see here. Old and optional strategies here. Let's look at copper breakout. Copper breakout had its first losing trade on the day. Not on the day, but in the last 5, you see there were 5 winners in a row. Then there's a loser here, and then a move to the new high. So the stop was a little too tight. We have a $400 stop loss on this. Big move in copper up here to new highs. And so those are the trades on the day. Going back to the indexes, we see them breaking out, working towards new highs again. And so be interesting to see how the week closes. We have the jobs Friday tomorrow, and NASDAQ up 80 on the day, which is not much. S&P up near all-time highs, up 27 on the day. And jobs Friday tomorrow, so keep that in mind. As any given jobs report Friday could be volatile when that news release is released at 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.